Join me as I challenge myself to whip up a delicious raspberry drink in just seconds. Today, I want to show you how to make a super refreshing raspberry drink that's perfect for hot days or anytime you need a quick pick-me-up. The best part? It's ready in just seconds. I'm sure we've all been there. It's a scorching hot day, and you're desperate for something cold and refreshing to quench your thirst. Or maybe you're hosting a gathering and need a drink that's easy to make in bulk. Whatever the occasion, I know how hard it can be to find a recipe that's quick, easy, and actually tastes good. We've all scrolled through our social media feeds and seen those super elaborate cocktail recipes that promise the world but deliver nothing but frustration and a messy kitchen. And don't even get me started on the fancy equipment and hard-to-find ingredients. It's enough to make you want to give up and settle for a boring old glass of water. But what if I told you there's a way to make a delicious, refreshing drink in just a few simple steps? No fancy equipment, no hard-to-find ingredients, and no need to be a pro in the kitchen. Let's get started. To make this raspberry drink, you'll need just a few simple ingredients: some fresh raspberries, a little bit of sugar, some lemon juice, and sparkling water. Yes, that's it. You can find all of these ingredients at your local grocery store. First, let's add a handful of fresh raspberries to a blender or food processor. You can use fresh or frozen raspberries, whichever you prefer. Add a tablespoon or two of sugar, depending on how sweet you like your drinks. And finally, squeeze in a bit of fresh lemon juice to give it a nice tang. Blend everything together until it's nice and smooth, then strain the mixture into a large pitcher or jug. Finally, add some sparkling water and give it a good stir. And that's it. Your drink is ready to be served. Check out how beautiful and vibrant this drink looks. The raspberries give it a gorgeous pink color, and the sparkling water adds just the right amount of fizz. And the best part? You can customize it to your taste by adding a bit more sugar or lemon juice. So there you have it, a delicious, refreshing raspberry drink that's ready in just seconds. Whether you're looking for a quick pick-me-up on a hot day or a refreshing drink to serve at your next gathering, this recipe is perfect. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you give this recipe a try. If you have a favorite drink recipe, be sure to let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy recipes like this one.